Oh, no, no. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Look at that stare right now. That stare right now. That stare right now. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey y'all, what the fuck is good? My name is Desiré and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the thumbnail, I am doing DIY stacked jeans. So for the stacked jeans, all you need is some either new or old pairs of jeans, and in this case I'm doing two-tone, so I have some black jeans and I have some regular blue jeans from Boohoo that I did not like, so I thought it would be good for this project. But as I was saying, all you need is some thread or a sewing machine if you have one, and some scissors. So all I'm doing right here is measuring where I want to cut the jeans, and I'm pretty short. I'm like 5 feet 5'1", so I cut them pretty long, so I have to cut them later in the video again. But when making your stacked jeans, just take into consideration your height. So now that I have the two bottom halves of my jeans, I'm just putting them over the black jeans to see where I should position them. And now I'm going to fold them inside out, both halves of the jean, and then line up the, I guess you could say, like the end part of the jeans with the black pair of the jeans. Folding the jeans inside out helps the end result when you don't have to flip the whole entire pair of jeans out. You can just flip over those little halves and it will be so much easier. But now I am going to start making sure that they fit well around each other. Now I'm just taking my black thread and my needle and getting the thread together. And this process would have took less time if I would have had a sewing machine, but I do not. But it's really easy doing it with the needle and thread. All I was doing was the in and out stitch, and it was very easy. So I messed up a few times while doing the stitching, but what is success without failure? So I ain't even finna cap to y'all, but when I turned that first leg inside out, I was like, I don't know about this. I don't know if this gonna be cute or not. But the finished product is so lit. So all you have to do is have faith and it will work out in your favor. outcome of the pants, and I was so glad I did these jeans. But nonetheless, I love y'all, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank y'all for watching. Bye.